Greetings, Airsoft fans. I have another M1911 to show you. This one is the Ukarms G13 Spring Full Metal Airsoft Pistol. There's the pistol itself. This is a zinc alloy shell. It is full metal. We have a 15-round magazine. Everything is metal on this gun except for the barrel and the trigger and the flip. Everything else is, and the thing here and the grips. But in my last review, which was on the Double Eagle M21, that one was also a M1911. If you're looking for a higher grade M1911, your sidearm, I'd recommend using the Ukarms G13. This gun served as my sole sidearm until I bought that Smith & Wesson, which you guys seen the review on. This has metal and plastic internals. This is the box. On the back here, you have all the warnings on all the warnings on the box here. I actually showed this to a World War II vet, and he said this feels just like the real M1911. This gun right here does not have a safety. The safety is for show. So is the grip safety. The hammer does not come down. However, when you cock it, the slide will sometimes stick in like that position there. I know I'm holding it there, but it will stick sometimes. This pistol is a really, really durable Ukarms pistol. Ukarms is a really good company. They make really good rifles, really good pistols. Here in a few days, I may be getting a Ukarms AK, or your Ukarms AK-47 AEG. You've already seen the review on my Double Eagle M83, which I'm going to be using as my primary M4. This has been a review on the Ukarms G13 Full Metal Spring Airsoft Pistol. Like I said before, if you're looking for a really durable sidearm, a spring sidearm, go with the G13. The FPS on this gun is about 320, 330 feet per second. It's a really durable pistol. Just don't drop it on hardwood, because I had to learn that the hard way. It will ding up the hardwood if you drop it. And well, thank you all for watching. Please rate and comment on this video, on all my other videos, and my videos on my other YouTube channel, T-Crow Photography. Thank you all for watching.